welcome to our channels. I'm Yuki, the trainer from AiHouse. So in today's video, we are going to introduce the layout annotation function with you. Through this function, you can download the drawings of your whole floor plan. You can see this is the content for today's, and the first thing is that we are going to introduce the interface with you, and the second is to introduce the drawing category, and third is the usage methods of this layout annotation, also including how to modify the drawings. And after finishing all that, and we will going to introduce how to export our drawings. So now let's get into the AiHouse, and you can see this is the floor plan that we are going to use today. So to find the layout annotation function, you need to go to the top menu to find the drawing. This one, then you need to left click the first one, layout annotation. So now let's just wait for a while. Okay, this is our main interface for the layout annotation function. And you can see at the left side is the drawing details. There are many types for you to select, and they are separated based on the space. The first one is the specification. You can come here to get your covers, contents, and specifications. And here, this is the floor plan drawing. You can come here to get the original floor plan, or the wall modification drawings, and the layout drawing, and even the light positioning drawings, and the many others like the strong current, the weak current, the light, and many others. And you can come here to find the one that you need. This is the bedroom. This is bathroom, two bathroom things. And here, this is the living room. And you can left click this single space layout and zoom in to see there are many views for you. And you can go back to the left side to see here has A elevation, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, like this. So let's view this A elevation, and this is for this one. So going back to the single space layout, you can zoom in to find this A view, and if you want to change the A view, you can left click and hit the edit, then left click this A view, then hold mouse wheel to move the canvas. Then you can change the place that the A view show, like just need to change the size of this blue box like this. So this is how to change what will shows in the view. So let's going back, just go to the up to hit the exit key. So this is for the left side. What's more, you can go to the upper. Here it has this add icon. You can left click here to add a category. Like here, amended, just left click to save it. And if you want a subcatalog, come here to edit. Another one, and hit enter to set it. If you don't want it or want to rename it, just go to the right, like here has this three little icon, just left click. You can rename it or delete it. And confirm to delete it. So this is for the left side. Going to the top menu, you can see the undo and redo button. And here is the text. You can come here to add the text for your drawing. Let's just left click and left click the position you want to place the text. Then they will show a box for you to add the text. Like here, add the text. And after you finishing, you just need to left click to place it. So let's Control Z to undo it, and right click to end command. Next one is this lead text. Like you can use this one to add some note. You just need to left click it. So after you select this function, you can see the shape that you are going to draw. You need to left click twice. Like now, left click first and left click again. Then you need to determine the length of this straight line. Just left click to set it. Then you need to input the text you want to set. After you convert, just left click. then you will place a note at here. If you don't want it, just delete it. So go to the right side, you can see the first thing is this 3D view. You can zoom in and zoom out to view it, and use right click to rotate it and left click to move it. So this is for the 3D view. Going to the down, and now it's showing the lead task, which is the lead task we just made. And here is the parameters for the lead task. You can change it here. And if you want to show the original thing, you just need to left click the space outside the drawing. Alright, we are still under the lead task. You just need to right click to end the command. So now I left clicked the space, then you can see this material library. And if you want to add some other drawings inside this one, you just need to come here to find one, then left click and hold your mouse to drag and drop it inside. And I will show you how to do that later. Now let's go to left side to see the categories for the drawings. And let's go to the upper left corner. You can see here, just left click this one. Then you can see there's 4 types of drawings for you to select. The first is decoration ones, and we just introduced this. The second is the system cabinet and cabinet drawing and the wardrobe drawings. These are the custom cabinet that I make inside the floor plan, so there will be 3 types in here. Like now, I'm going to the wardrobe drawings to show you how to modify the drawings. So now you can see this is for the wardrobe drawing. The first is the cover. And you can see this cover and the logo now cannot be changed. This is the name of this floor plan. You can name it when you save the project. And go back to the left side, you can see here has 2 bedrooms. There are 2 wardrobe I make for it. And the first, let's go to the floor plan. You can see this 2-1. And this is the space axonometry drawing. You can just left click this one. And here you can see this rotate button. You can just hit the rotate button to rotate the drawing. And let's go down. And this one is a orientation composite diagram. You can zoom in to view them. This one is for the door panel diagram. And this is the structure diagram and the size section. And you can left click one of them to modify them. And for this type, you can go to the right side to see that you can change the size, like the CAD drawings or the materials color map. Just left click, then there will be 2 types of perspectives for you to select. The first is the author one and the perspective one. And zoom in to view it clearly. And this is the perspective one. And these 2 types, just select the type that you want it. And for this single view, you can just left click it and hold your mouse to move it to the place you want it. Now this one, you can also move it. If you want to add another one inside, you can go to the right side and left click this outer space first and go to the right side to show the material library. Then just come here to select the one and drop it inside if you want it. Then move it to places at a place like this one. And if you don't need it, just left click and hit this trace icon, or use this copy view to copy another one. And if you want to change the size, you just need to left click to select it and move your cursors to the scroll button, then to change the size, and Control Z to move it back. And what's more, here you can have this crop view. You can use this one to crop the shape of this view. Just left click to confirm the crop. So for the detail editing of these things, like for this one, you just need to left click. And here has this edit icon. You can left click this edit icon to get inside, or just double left click So now we are getting into the modify for this single view. Then you can go to the top to see the function you can do to it. Like here, you can add the text or lead text. You can mark a size for it, like just left click here. Then go to find the start point and end point, like start from here, then end at here. After you complete it, just move to left or move to right to place the value. Then just right click to end the command. What's more for the value, like now I left click this value, you can see this pop-up button. You can use this one to brush the styles of these values to others' value. Like I hit this one, then I left click it here, then you can see the value size turn bigger. And right click to end the command, and left click again to select it, then you can see the next function is merge. And you can left click this one. Now you can select which value you want to merge. And you can select all this red one, like for this one, left click it. Then you will merge these two and right click and left click this again. Now you can split them. So left click, then you can select the point you want to split, like here, just left click. Then they will split into two parts. Or if you want to split more, you can come here to set another point and just left click to set it. Now I just right click to end the command. Left click this value again. You can see here has this align function. Just left click here, then you can select the value you want it to align with, like this one. Then just move your cursors, then you can see both of these values will be moved together. Like now you want to set it at here, you just need to right click, then both of them will be set at here. So this is what you can do to the value. After you're doing this, you need to go to the top menu to find the first function save to save what you did. Now it says successful, then you can go to the history one to find it. After this, you can hit the exit button at the middle part to exit from the modifiers of this single view. So this is what you can do to the drawings. After you convert the drawing, you can go to the upper right corner to export the drawing. To export the drawings, the first things you need to do is go to the left side to select the export range. Like you want to export all of them, or you don't want this one, just check or uncheck them. After that, you need to go to the right side. First, you need to select the export format, PDF, JPG, or DWG. Then you can see here, this is the numbers of the files. The merge export will directly export the DWG format. However, if you export by group, then you will get a zip format files. So now I'm going to show the merge export with you guys. After you convert the numbers of files, you can go to the upper to see this layout mode. Then you can select to classify them based on the module or based on the layout space. There are two methods for you to select. And for the layout space, there still have two things that you need to convert, the single layout export or multi-layout export. So I'm going to show what's the difference between them. Here you can see this is the DWG. I'm selecting the module space. You can see the whole modules is in this type. However, using this layout space, this two one, for the multiple one, then you can see at the bottom there are many types of drawing. They are exported separately. However, for the single, they will all show in a single canvas like this type. So now you have know all of this layout annotation function. Just go and try it and let us know if you have any problems, if you're facing any problem during the process. If you're facing any problem, just go back to the main interface, then go to the upper right corner, find this help button and feedback apps. See you at the next video. Goodbye.